Hi guys, my name is Bonnie. I'm from Mexico. So today I would like to introduce a case for you. A few months ago, our client placed an order to us, but the material is AISI 1018. But as a result, this kind of material was rusty. So as you can see, there is a sample in my hand. As you can see, it was rusty. Can you see that? Yes. So today I would like to introduce why this happened. So as you know that the error content of AISI 1018 is the balance. That means that the chemical composition of this kind of material is iron. As you know that iron will be very easy to rusty. So if you want to keep the good surface, so here is the advice for you. So if you want to keep the surface, maybe you can do the 3 kinds of coating. One is that powder coating, as you can see that. And the second one is a nickel plated. And the third one is black oxide. So we tried many times, so we get the good results. So this part didn't rusty, and 1 month passed away, it was good. Can you see that? So if you have any question about this kind of material and some coating, so just contact us. See you.